So guys, now we are going to discussing about another topic name called host header injection. So what is this host header injection? So host header injection. When a web server or application trusts the host header sent by a client without validating or sanitizing it, an attacker can inject a malicious value into the host header and redirect it to a user into a malicious website. Like, I can tell you, I have number one is a x.com, and number two is this is the your uh, client target website. Okay, he's trying to search the x.com and he tried to register or something else over there. Then an attacker, what he do, he can request to the client, and attacker can manipulate and try to send to the other targeted domain name like a pentesterclub.com. It's an attacker website. When a user try to visit to the x.com and request, and the response will come to visit to the targeted website. That's it here. And it bypasses the security controls like passwords, reset links, and poison catchy attacks, and exploit internal applications like open redirect, SSRF, password reset poisoning, and everything in the targeted website. What else you requested? Now, uh, in which type of common vulnerable areas you can find here, like a password reset emails and canonicalizations of redirect and catchy systems and multiple tenant applications. Now, let's we would like to look this. So let's we would like to come back to your machine. Let's see. Oh, why this? Let me. Now, uh, let me. We would like to walk to here. Let's open the browser. In the browser, I think where I don't have any extensions at the moment. I I have reset this one. Now I just put here as a proxy. Now let me. I would like to click on add-on. Let you can open this browser. Now click to add to a Firefox this one. Once you have added, now let's come back into a toolbar. Let's come back. So we can add a proxy. Come back. So we just add a proxy. Let's we just come back. Let's just you can utilize name it as a bug, and you can change what else you like the color. Now it's game. Now you just enter your target IP address. Then let's just put here as 8080. Then let it save. Then let's come back here. We just enter as 8080, where you can download AACA certificate. Now let's you can visit to the settings. Now just type here as certificate, view certificates, then you can import this certificate. Let's go to here as downloads. You can click on open. You can trust all this, then click on OK, and here is OK. Then let's close this and this and this. Now visit any type of targeted website. I would like to visit let me I would like to go here as a one Okay, let me, I would like to go here as a vulnerhub.com. Let's see. So where these are the CTF missions where you can download and you can practice it. Now, let me, I would like to, oh sorry, this for add-ons. Now, let me, I would like to try to switch to an pubsort here. Once it is switched, contain proxy, interception is on. Let's come back. You have switch over there. Now, I have get as a request here. Now, where host is a onehub.com, then you can send to a repeater tab. In the repeater tab, now you can try to change the targeted website address. Now, I try to send here. It shows 403 is forbidden. You cannot able to forward this one as a web application. Let's look here in the render. So in this case, there is a Cloudflare protection. You cannot able to bypass that one because I am trying as a live. Okay. Now, let me in the proxy also. I can try here to this. I'm just changing the targeted website. I want to make it as a host header injection. Now it's came to, let's see. Let me, I would like to forward. No, it not yet come back. Let's see. So we didn't accept anything else from now. Let's we would like to try as another targeted website. Now let me in the place here, let me, I would like to put here as a pentesterclub.com. That I try to make it as forward. Let's try this. No, the it's not a get from here. Let's, we would like to look here. Misdirected request. There is a Cloudflare protection for the targeted website where you can look here misdirected request. We have seen here. Let, we would like to put here as a one hub. Then dot pentestclub.com. Let's see. It's also a same. We are getting as a misdirected. Now, we would like to try to get it done this one with the right thing. Let's, we would like to try here as another one. Let's, we would like to try this. Let me, I would like to come back here. I would like to make it as off. Now, I just put here as a planet art. Let's, I would like to try to test. This is a planetart.com. Now, let's, we would like to look here in this. Let's, we would like to try to go for as contact. Now, let me, I would like to try to as intercept. Then, try here. I have got here as a planet art. Now, let me, I would like to try to send again, same to a repeater. In the repeater place, you try to send where you can look here cookie and everything, where you have got here. Exactly. Now, let me, in the planet art, I would like to try here as a bing.com, where you can see here it shows uh, 3403. There is a cloud front. If there is no cloud front, you cannot able to get as this type of error. The requester could not be satisfied, a bad request. You cannot able to perform in the server app. So due to a cloud production where they are blocking your request, otherwise it will directly go over there. XSRF token, you can look here, this is active in this. So you need to try where there is no active for XSRF token. Now I would like to try this. It's also the same thing. Now, even if you try here as a something, I would like to try to forward. It's also the same thing. You can look here. This is with as another thing. Sometimes you can get a similar way like this. So you need to bypass this technique to get a bounty. So the bypass is the same thing, uh, similar like this only. So I would like to try to test another website. I would like to off. Let's come back here as be practical. We would like to look this. So we would like to try to test this. Uh, so let's no, uh, we would like to look here. No, process. No, no, we didn't get this one. Now we would like to try here as another one. So in this case, where you can get just your target thing. I would like to put here as I would like to go here as a test.php. Let's we would like to try only this targeted testing website. I would like to intercept this on. Then uh, so let's just off this first. I would like to go for here. Then I would like to try to on. So you just try here as test and test, then try to log in. Where a test.php.web. Now I would like to send to this one as repeater. Come back to a repeater tab. Now I would like to replace this one to a uh, pentestclub.com. Now let's try to send. It not go for a send. because we would like to try to forward this one first. Once it's forwarded, let's see here, you have got here a guest book. Then let's try to resend over there to a repeater. Let's close this. Let's close this. Now you try to send, you have got it here. Now let's come back. I would like to try here. It's not yet given anything as a results. Okay, now I would like to log out this, come back to a proxy. Now I just off. Now we can try here. Where is this? We would like to try here as only with a web.com. Let's see. Now I would like to make it as interception is up. Then try to a request. Test php dot web. Now I try to a forward. Yes, it was a forwarded successfully. You can look here Akunetics, but here it's not yet anything. I would like to request again. Now try to send to a repeater, come back to a repeater, get this, it's okay. Test php dot web. Try to send. Yes, it was a sending Akunetics web security. Test php dot web. So where you have got a 200, it's okay. You can look here, but a test and demonstration site is Akunetics web vulnerability scanner, but it was getting as host header injection possible here. That's it here. In a real targeted website, it will take a lengthy time process to identify this host header injection. That's it here. So once we come here, we have override this one. Even you can try here like even if you try here as Pentester club, then try to send, but it will not get any type of results because there is not hosted this one. Test php dot web, you can get the results. Okay, that's it. It will be working only in one case scenario. That's it. Let's come back here. We would like to look in this. I would like to tell you here. Let me just read as a little bit big. Let me. In this case, it's never gonna trust the host header. It need to be match similar of your domain for a security discussion, and it's a hardcore hardcode hardcode. The server canonical name like a example.com, so we can see here as oneweb.com. Instead of dynamically using a host, otherwise a subdomains, otherwise something, it's redirecting to somewhere else. So without a subdomains or something, it's not available. That also be done. Use a framework provided URL like a. You can also request like a. We can look like a framework provided URL like we just put here as a request build absolute URI. So you just need to utilize some cases to get a bypass this one. And it will also validate the host header against a whitelist or allowed a domains only. So let me I can put here as uh, it will also test and whitelist the allowed domains only for host header injection. So our tools we would like to utilize here as a bub and fuff or w push custom scripts like a Python or Go. So better to use a bub suite. It's the best one. So even let me I would like to go back here like where you can look here in this case like uh, host like you can put here as forwarded. Even you can try this forwarded to the local host of your targeted domain. What else you are hosting that one, that also can be done here. That's it. And also you can put here as a with the percent of your targeted domain. Let me I would like to put here like I would like to put here as a pentesterclub.com. So this will give you as a error here. You can look here which will give us a error. Then you can try to send where you have got it here. That's it. So this is how you can use host header injection. So later we would like to discuss about a data tampering.